children. Today we'll start with chapter 2, that is maps. In this lesson we'll cover the topics: what is a map, what are the uses of map, different types of map, and how to read a map. So let's start with the first topic, that is what exactly is a map. A map is a drawing of the whole earth or a place on a flat piece of paper. Maps can be made in different sizes. We can make maps of the whole world, a country, a city, or a village. So a map is a symbolic representation of selected characteristics of a place. Like what? Like the countries, the location, the distance between two places. So all this is usually drawn on a flat surface. So maps present information about the world in a simple and visual way. The word map comes from the medieval Latin mappa mundi, wherein mappa means napkin or cloth and mundi means the world. Thus, map became a shortened term referring to a two-dimensional representation of the surface of the world. In the last lesson, in the first chapter, we have learned about the cartographer. A person who makes map as a profession is called a cartographer. So these cartographers are concerned with all aspects of map making, like scientific, technological, and artistic. They are responsible for researching, collecting, storing, retrieving, and manipulating data. They design maps and they also check the accuracy of maps. The first maps were made on clay tablets. In the ancient days, people used clay tablets as a writing medium. Why? Because paper was not invented yet. So who discovered these clay tablets? The archaeologists. Archaeologists have discovered maps inscribed on clay tablets. Who is an archaeologist? An archaeologist is a scientist who studies human history by digging up human remains and objects. These archaeologists study the origin, development, and behavior of human beings and their societies, both from the past till the present. Now let's learn about an atlas. A book or a collection of maps is called an atlas. The maps in an atlas tells us about the political boundaries of countries, the physical features, vegetation, climate, and natural resources of various regions in the world. There are different types of atlas. A travel atlas, which is also called as road map, a desk atlas, which is similar to a reference book, and there are also atlases that tell us about other planets in the solar system. Now let's learn the uses of map. A map provides a clear picture of the earth. Some maps cover small areas of Earth's surface, whereas others cover the entire continents. A map can be easily carried around in bags and pockets, as it can be rolled or folded. Compared to the globes, which are round or spherical in shape, a map is a flat picture of a place, which is why it is way easier to carry a map than a globe. Maps are of different types. Each type of map contains a different type of information. There are different types of maps like political maps, physical maps, road maps, topographic maps, time zone maps, etc. We can also preserve information on maps. Maps present information about the world in a simple and visual way. We learned about that. Maps also teach us about the world by giving us information like title, date, author, and sources, which usually appear on the map. The map's title tells what the map is about. It reveals the map's purpose and content, whereas the date refers to either the time the map was made or the date relevant to the information on the map. Now let's learn a few disadvantages of using maps. Maps are distorted because the earth is not flat. Distorted means out of shape. So maps are usually distorted because the earth is not flat. Earth is spherical in shape, whereas maps are drawn on a flat piece of paper. Because of this, maps are usually distorted. The shape of the earth is distorted on a map. A map does not show the exact shape, area, direction, and distance of the continents and oceans. A globe, which is usually a spherical model of the earth, it accurately represents the shapes and locations of the continents. But if we cut a globe in half and if we flatten out each of these halves into a map, the result would be wrinkled and torn, which is distorted. So the size, shape, and relative location of land masses would also change. So map, unlike a globe, does not show the exact shape, area, direction, and distance of the places which are shown on the globe. That's it for today's class, children. Hope you have understood what is a map, what are the uses of map, and the disadvantages of a map. In the next class, we'll be learning about the types of maps. See you in the next video.